Damn, there's hella people. Alright guys, so we're on our way to the gas station. We just pulled up, like you guys seen, we just pulled up to the spot where everybody's at. And man, there's a lot of people, guys. Like I'm talking about a lot of people. A lot of people. Guys, I'll catch you guys when I get to the gas station. Alright guys, we're pulling up to the gas station for the third time tonight. Or today, I mean, not tonight. There's so many freaking cars at this spot right now, guys. There's a lot of crazy cars, guys. A lot of crazy cars. But yeah, man, I'm gonna put some gas real quick, and then we're gonna head out to that spot. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to this spot right here, and man, look at this lineup. My E92 M3 with another crazy ass brand new M3, and this one right here. This one's freaking clean. And this frozen one right here, bro, look at this. Damn, this thing is fucking nice.
Let's go over there.
Look at this one.
Like they're shooting guns and shit.
They're shooting guns. Damn, what the fuck? That SVJ is in a different level. He's back. Alright guys, look at all these freaking cars right now, guys. Man, we finally made it to the gas station. This is where everybody's at right now, guys. I'm always telling you guys, if you guys are new to the channel, smash the subscribe button. You guys do not want to miss out of this crazy ass content. Damn.
That's crazy, bro. Yo, what's up, my boy?
How you doing, bro?
Pretty good.
Shoo.
Goddamn, bro.
There's people all over the place, boy. Jeez. Look at this right here, guys. These lineups right here are insane. Stay tuned, man. It's gonna be crazy tonight. Just get it. Smash the subscribe button while you guys are at it. Yo, look at all these freaking cars. Look at this beautiful ass M4. This crazy ass GTR. There's another GTR. Man. All these crazy ass cars. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to keep up. Look at this. I am not keeping up with that one. Drug lord. Let's go. It's a flamethrower on wheels. No, but for real though, this shit fucking shoots some fat ass flames. I wanna see it. I wanna see it happen though.
A few moments later.
Yes. Let's go! Good shit, bro. Good shit. The night has begun. Guys, the night has begun. If you guys are not subscribed yet, smash the fucking subscribe button because you guys do not want to miss out on this crazy ass content. Man, that SVJ though, guys. That freaking SVJ. Let's go. Look, you hear that shit? Did you hear that, bro? What? What's going on out there, bro? Holy shit. Did you hear that? That SVJ got broken.
You guys are trespassing on private property. Leave. The police are on the way. Out. You guys are leaving. Leave.
Alright guys, well, we got lost from the crew and we're the only ones out here right now, guys. There's literally, you don't hear any Lambos, any GTRs, or any Mustangs because we got lost. Content, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Let's get it.